Hello, my name is Sana and I'm a social media fitness influencer. I love to inspire those around me and help them live a healthier lifestyle. And I wanted to make this video and share my experience with Instagram Marketing 101 course. Val's course really helped me transform my Instagram and take it to a professional level. My following gain went from about 1,700 to 6,000 followers. The course has taught me the foundations of Instagram, my strengths and weaknesses, how to make money off of my account, and how to even grow for free. It has email guides to approaching brands and getting collaborations deals, hacks on using hashtags in posts and stories to get most engagement, and also what kind of posts get more likes. It really has everything from start to finish inside the course. It truly works if you implement and take action from all the amazing knowledge that she gives you. I wish I found out about this course earlier. My growth would have started way sooner. Instagram Marketing 101 is perfect for fitness, fashion, lifestyle, photographers, and mama bloggers. If you're considering growing a following and making money off of your account, now is the time, and I can recommend this course. Everything it takes is given to you in one place, so why think twice? This is your answer to becoming a professional influencer in your niche. I 100% recommend Val's course.